Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss with you about custom streams in advanced Java programming. Creating custom streams. Creating custom streams in Java, it involves defining a stream from a non-standard data source. That is the operations that are not directly supported by standard stream API. This process typically involves the use of Spliterator, stream.builder, or stream.generate method. How the non-standard data sources can be created. It is using Spliterator, stream.builder, stream.generate methods. So what are the steps to create custom streams in Java? First, you can use stream.off method, off, and you can use stream.builder. So what is the difference between these two? Stream.off, it creates a stream from a specified set of elements. We will give a collection of elements. From that stream will be created. Together we will give. That is using off, stream.off. So here example is stream of which collection you want to create the stream. You are giving the data type in angle bracket, stream of string. The stream name we are giving here, stream itself. It is equal to stream.off of apple, banana, cherry. So a stream is created for 3 inputs. But here, if you take stream.builder off, it is used to create a stream step by step. So like this, see here, example, stream of string. The name of the stream is built stream. It is created using a builder method. So stream dot of string builder of dot add of apple dot add of banana dot add of cherry dot build of. So the stream is built in the similar to of method, but here one by one we have to give the connection values. Then we can create custom streams by using generate method. So stream.generate of method we can use. It is used to create an infinite stream where each element is generated using supplier function. In this example, the supplier function is math.random. So random is the function used to generate random numbers. So a stream is created for the generated random numbers using stream.generate of method. And another method to create custom stream is iterate of method. It is used to create an infinite stream where each element is produced by applying a function to the previous element. So iterate method means the first value will be maybe 0. In this example, stream.iterate of 0. The next value will be computed by giving some condition. Here, the next value n is equal to n plus 2. It means already n is 0 first time. So 0 plus 2, the next value is 2. So each with the help of first value, the next value will be iterated. So here limit function is used to avoid infinite set of execution. In this particular example, 10 set of values will be iterated. Creating custom strings from data structures. For example, using Spliterator. So Spliterator is an interface similar to other iterators available in Java to traverse the elements of the source. Spliterator, like iterator, is used to traverse or go through the list of elements. The list of elements can be collection elements, generator created elements, or IO channel elements. These elements you can traverse through Spliterator. Spliterator is a base utility for streams, especially parallel ones. So if you consider iterator, it is also used to traverse the elements. So what is the difference between Spliterator and iterator? Spliterator actually, it can traverse the elements in a parallel way. At the same time, multiple values can be iterated. In order to use Spliterator for collections, we create an object of Spliterator by calling the Spliterator of method available in the collection interface. So for first step is we have to create an object for the Spliterator method. So Spliterator, splitter equal to mu data.spliterator of. Here data is any collection of data. It may be IO channel data or collection data or any other data. From that, we will create the spliterator. Then key methods of spliterator. There are three key methods: try split off, try advance of, characteristics of. Try split off is used to split the data into two parts. If it is successful, one part is processed by the current thread and the other part is processed by the new thread. So for parallel execution, we will use try split off method. Then try advance of, it is used to process each element in the collection. It is similar to iterator. Characteristics of provides metadata about the underlying data. The characteristic of the data, if we want to get, we can use characteristics of method. Spliterator interface, it provides 8 methods. First one is characteristics of. It is one of the most important method used to get the set of characteristics of the spliterator elements. So what type of elements are there? How they are ordered, sized, subsized, immutable, or distant, or sorted, or non-null, or concurrent execution. All these characteristics we can find out with the help of characteristic of method. So I have already told you 8 methods Spliterator interface supports. First one is characteristics of. Second one is estimate size of. So for the first one, syntax, the default long characteristics of. So the return type is a long value. Estimate size of, it is used to get the size of number of elements in the stream that are left to iterate. What are the remaining elements? We have to iterate further. So its return type is a maximum value if it is a infinite set, or it is unknown or too expensive to compute. So syntax of estimate size of method is long estimate size of. So return type is a long value. Its estimate size of method accepts no parameter, but it returns the estimate of the number of elements that are left to iterate. Next one is get exact size if known. Suppose if we know the size of the stream, that the spliterator stream, then it will display that value. So its return type is get exact size if known, return type is long. It returns the number of elements that are left to iterate. Next is get comparator of. It is used to sort the spliterator source. The sorting is done by comparator and returns that comparator as a result. Syntax of the get comparator of method is as follows. So it's a default comparator value and its method name is get comparator of. It returns a superset value. Get comparator of method accepts no parameters and returns the following values and exceptions. It returns the comparator by which sorting of the spliterator source is done. So return type is comparator. The method returns null in the case when the source is sorted in the natural order. The method throws illegal state exception when the source is not sorted. Next is has characteristics of. This method is used to identify whether the spliterator characteristics include all the given characteristics or not. Its return type is Boolean value, true or false. Try advance of method, it is used to, so the syntax if you take, it is Boolean, return type is true. Okay, true or false. Try advance of input values, consumer super T action means the set of correction values that we pass here. So if there is further elements, the return type will be true. Return answer. It returns true if there is a next element and false when elements remain. So in the stream, if further elements are there, it will return true. Else, this try advance method will return false. Seventh method is for each remaining of consumer super T of action. So for each element in the stream, it will get the element and we can display it on the screen. So the syntax is default void for each remaining elements. You get the element. Whatever we want to do here, print or any action, we have to give it in the bracket. Try split off method, last eighth method, it is used to split the spliterator only if it is possible, and it is return a reference to a new spliterator for the partition. If you want to split the given spliterator values into two halves, we can use try split off method. It accepts no parameter and it returns a spliterator covering some portion of the elements or not null when the spliterator cannot be split. Suppose if we can't divide the value, collection into two halves, then the return value will be null. So in this video, we have seen about creating custom streams. In that, we have seen generate of method, iterate of method, then using spliterator. Spliterator has 8 methods, this interface, and all these methods we have discussed. And this is the topic about Spliterator. Thank you.